Hi all, here I am going to create a dependent drop-down for states based on the country name. For that I am having the country names and the states under each. First create the main drop-down, click the drop-down, go to data tab, data validation, list and select my header. That is my country name. Now give OK. Now I got the country names as my main drop-down. After that I am going to name this source. For that select the source, go to formulas tab, create from selection and select top row. That is having my header. Okay. Now I named the source. After naming the source, again going to data tab, data validation. Here I am going to use one formula, that is indirect. Indirect formula will refer the country name and get the states under each country. So I am just selecting the country name for indirect. Hit OK. Now I got the states of Russia. Whenever I change the country name, the states will get automatically updated. That's all about dependent drop-down. If you have any doubts, please comment below.